Good morning, friends. Today we are going to study the accounting and financial management. So, the slides are nothing but the series where we are actually going to study accounting and financial management. Now, what is accounting? Accounting is nothing but an information process where actually all the business transaction information is given to the business holders or the users of the information. There are different kind of users which are available, for example customers, suppliers, company management, then people who are related to it, like a government for the taxation purposes, etc. Gap is a process actually where the accounting standards are being mentioned. We are also going to study the accounting equations, which are different kind of equations, and the double entry system, that is a system of maintaining accounts. So here we are going to study all this. Now, accounting is nothing but it is a language of business. Accounting is a language of business. Business transactions are being recorded in the form of debit as well as credit systems. So it is a language, like we communicate. So the business is communicated with the help of accounting language. How the business is working, whether it's going high or whether it's going low, how much profits you are earning, and all that concern is with the help of accounting. Now, accounting is an information system that measures actually the business activities, as well as it processes the information and it communicates the financial information. So the first stage is it measures the business activities. Second, it processes what all information is available, and third, it communicates the financial information. So this is nothing but accounting. Now, accounting, what it measures, it measures the business activities which are going on, means what all transactions are being going on. Now, what all projects and data reports are prepared, that is nothing but the balance sheets are being prepared. Now, it will help in what? In decision making, whether to increase the production or whether to decrease the production, or whether to continue the plant or not. Means, for example, whether to expand the business or not, whether to acquire, whether to merge, or whether to amalgate the business or not. So this is nothing but the accounting. So accounting can also be defined, as a process of identifying, recording, summarizing the reporting economic information as a form of financial statements. Financial statements are profit and loss statements, balance sheets. So these are nothing but the statements actually. So, my dear friends, as far as the American Accounting Association is concerned, they have given the definition as a process of identifying, measuring, and communicating the economic information for the judgment and the decisions of the users of the information. What we have to identify, how the transactions are going on, and in what volume the transactions are going on, and the economic information is given to the users. The who are the users? He may be the suppliers, or he may be the employees, or maybe the company management, maybe the government people, and all these are the users of information. And American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, that is AICPA, they also give the definition as a service activity whose function is to provide quantitative information. Now, information is in a quantitative manner. Primary function is nature and economic entities that are intended in making economical decisions. Now, economic decisions are made on the basis of what data is provided. What information is provided. Information of the business transactions is being provided. So accounting is nothing but a process by which the intended results are being created. So we'll see in next lecture.